Hi everyone, Sylvia here from Lisica Rides and welcome to another video. Today we are talking about occupations. What's your occupation? What work do you do? When you grow up, what do you want to be? Have you ever thought of that answer? In Setswana, well, your girls got you. So tune in, remember to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. So, when you ask, what do you want to be when you grow up? O batla go nna eng ga o gola? O batla go nna eng ga o gola? What do you want to be when you grow up? Gola is to grow. Go nna is to be. So, o batla go nna eng? What do you want to be when you grow up? Ga o gola? I still ask myself that question because yes, I'm a medic, but I could be so many other things. How do I describe what I want to be? Ke batla go nna blank. I want to be blank, right? So, ke batla go nna ngaka. I want to be a doctor. Ke batla go nna mooki. I want to be a nurse. Ke batla go nna mooki, ngaka. Ke batla go nna mmelegisi, midwife. Literally means the one who delivers, who helps deliver babies, I suppose. Ke batla go nna ngaka ya meno. Ke batla go nna ngaka ya meno. That means I want to be the doctor for teeth, aka dentist. Ngaka ya meno. Ke batla go nna mma boipelego. Ke batla go nna mma boipelego, which is a social worker. Mma boipelego is a social worker. Ke batla go nna ralopalo. Ralopalo. That's a vet. Those are health-centered occupations. Ngaka, mooki, mmelegisi, mma boipelego, ngaka ya meno, ralopalo. Those are all health-centric jobs. What if you want to be a member of parliament? Ke batla go nna mopalamente. That's a very borrowed English word, mopalamente. Ke batla go nna tautona. Tautona is big lion, also known as president. I want to be a president. Ke batla go nna tautona. Yeah, those are in that kind of government power structure, if you want to be that. Ke batla go nna molemi murui, a planter and someone who has animals, also known as a farmer, because you plant, you have a garden or you have a farm where you're planting stuff and you also rear animals. So mulimi is the person who plants all the stuff. And then murui is the one who rears animals. So mulimi murui is like a multi-hatted farmer. Ke batla go nna modisa. That's a herdsman, herdsperson, looking after cows. Modisa. Ke batla go nna. Now, this is very controversial. Correct me down below if I'm wrong, but a cook is masapi. Masapi means a woman who cooks. And apparently a chef is rasapi. Rasapi. So, which is a man who cooks. So, clearly I have a problem with that. Because why is a woman only gonna be, a cook, and a man can be a chef. I have a problem. But if I didn't understand that correctly, please comment down below. You might want to be a teacher. Murutabana. Murutabana. Huruta is to teach. Bana are kids. So the person who teaches kids is murutabana. Like literally, that's the translation. The person who teaches kids. Murutabana. You might want to be a principal. Mohoko. Mohoko. That's the principal at a school. You might want to be a police officer. Lepodisi. Lepodisi. Lepodisi is a police officer. Muruti. Muruti. So literally, it means a teacher. But as a profession, it means a pastor. A pastor. Muruti. Muruti. Pastor, deacon, all those different church denominations. But literally someone who is working in a religious denomination and teaching. And then you might want to be a chief. Kosi. 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 You might want to be a news reporter. Mobeha dikang. Dikang are news. Mobeha is to relay, right? So the one who works as a news reporter, mobeha dikang. This is part 1 because there are a whole lot of professions that I haven't included. But I hope you can describe what you want to be when you grow up with that little limited vocabulary while we wait for part 2. Till next time, Josiane. Bye.